Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to edit photos in Coffe Style using Adobe Lightroom for iPad. Here is an example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
First go to light. Exposure to -60. Contrast to +40. Highlights to -60. Shadows to +45. Whites to +10. And blacks to +10. Next go to color. +20 for vibrance. And saturation to -5. Go to color mix. Saturation to -30. Luminance to -10. Next go to orange. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +20. Go to yellow. Hue to -25. Go to green. Hue to -50. Saturation to -15. Next go to aqua. Saturation to -50. Go to blue. Saturation to -50. Luminance to -20. Next go to effect. Clarity to +15. Dehaze to +25. Go to split toning. Bring the hue to 44 and saturation to 6 for shadows. Go to detail. Sharpening to +16. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo copy setting.